What is good, Cardano fam, ADA gang? We have lots of exciting updates to unpack today, so hit that subscribe, hit that like. Cardano ADA has outperformed Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB over the last 180 days. The Cardano Treasury has surpassed 1.7 billion ADA, valued at 1.22 billion US dollars. Massive treasury. 15,000 new tokens have launched on Cardano just in the last 17 days. Kraken, serving over 15 million clients again today, says SNEK listing soon. Hopefully sooner rather than later. Hopefully it's not a SpongeBob meme like a 1 year later, but we will wait and see. I really hope that it's imminent. But we'll wait and see, and it's great that they continue to engage with the community. Hashdex, with over $1.1 billion in assets under management, files an amendment with the SEC to add Cardano, Avalanche, Chainlink, Litecoin, Solana, Uniswap, and XRP to their current holdings of Bitcoin and Ethereum in their Nasdaq Crypto Index US ETF. Yes, more ETF goodness for Cardano. Nasdaq, massive name. And Hashdex is huge. They're the #1 crypto asset manager in the Latin America region. Huge portfolio, multiple products. So this is great, guys. Continue to boost the institutional interest and the perceived quality. Amazing news for Cardano. This is definitely the highlight of today. Not surprised though, we're going to see more and more. Input Output Global says Leios is making significant progress in simulation capabilities, with a successful comparison of Rust and Haskell simulations across 90 scenarios. A mainnet-scale analysis of Leios on a realistic 3,000 node network revealed unexpected performance benefits. So great to see the simulations making great progress. We're getting closer and closer to realizing Leios. It's great to see, guys. And the performance benefits, we're going to have to wait and see, but I think they're going to be huge. Excellent. Elon Musk says we found 14 magic money computers that can make money out of thin air and issue payments. And of course, as we know, Bitcoin, BNB, XRP, and Cardano, they are the only top 10 coins with a fixed supply. Not like Solana, not like Dogecoin, not like Ethereum, and many others that can continue to increase their supply. So in essence, they're deflationary, which is good. Michael Saylor's strategy acquires 130 Bitcoin today, valued at $10.7 million. Now, if you guys recall, Saylor recently supported President Trump, including Cardano, Ethereum, Solana, and XRP in the US Crypto Strategic Reserve by saying about 2 weeks ago, it's bullish for Bitcoin and the entire US crypto industry. So what does he know that we don't, right? Scooping up a nice $10 million bag. And we know that he was supportive towards altcoins, which is a great pivot. It's a great transition from specifically honing in on Bitcoin. It's evident that Michael Saylor's being a little bit more libertarian on the approach and realizing that all of us can coexist in harmony. So good news for Bitcoin, good news for Michael Saylor is good news for Cardano, the orange and blue brothers, the UTXO bros. Binance announces 0% trading fees on Binance Wallet until September. Now, this is not like specifically Binance. It's more about their swap and DeFi functionalities. I don't think there's much Cardano involvement there. But again, if this helps to onboard more retail users and incentivize them, great. Then we'll see some more benefits trickle down to the Cardano ecosystem. It's a pretty slow day for news today, guys, but of course the ETF goodness was great. Happy St. Patrick's Day from SNEK. SNEK is always crushing it, so he's a good SNEK, he's a good Pig, he's a good Charles, right? He's a good George, he's a good Alex Becker, he's a good Kraken. So let's always try our best to look at the upside potential and the opportunities and areas of improvement. That's always going to be the best. Let's always try our best to make gratitude our attitude. We will continue to foster more and more to the Cardano community. So ADA sitting at 708. We're supposed to see some discussions from Powell coming up very soon, I believe Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. So we'll see. The markets might react maybe sideways, maybe a little bit of dump. In any case, I will be ready. It's always good to have some stables on the side to take advantage of dips. So the market right now is kind of going sideways. ADA 708, XRP 2.3, Bitcoin dominant 61.7, just basically going sideways. Bitcoin doing pretty good at 83.4. So we'll just continue to watch. I'm not ruling out downside volatility. Negative volatility could come. But I do think that 74K range, as George Cryptos R Us also echoed the same sentiment, that 73.8 support for Bitcoin is important. The fact that we bounced up quickly above 77K, it's hard to see Bitcoin revisit the low 70s, but I'm not ruling it out. So in any case, be prepared, evaluate your risk, take a look at your portfolio, do what works best for you. But I do think that in the long run, we're looking very successful for ADA, given our improved network effect, our resilience, no outage, just like Bitcoin. Really, the track record is really Bitcoin and ADA leading the way. And so when I look at things like the ETF goodness, with Leios around the corner, how can one not be bullish? I think that often people like to FUD the most obvious choices. We saw that with XRP when it was struggling at 50 cents. We see that with ADA when it was at 33 cents and did 300% in November, if you recall. And I think it's still happening time and time again. And while people will poke fun at Cardano or many others, here we have a moment where projects like XRP and ADA are being added to a massive ETF in the United States with a big brand like Nasdaq. So again, let's celebrate these moments. I think more ETFs, more indexes, and hopefully more staking ETPs, particularly in the United States. I think that would be fantastic to leverage our liquid staking. So guys, let me know what you guys think. Were you surprised to see another ETF to include ADA? Not surprised, but definitely excited and happy about it. Let me know what are your predictions for altcoin season, and especially with Powell and what's coming up the days ahead. Smash that subscribe, smash that like. I'll see you in the next Angry Crypto Show.